Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the Eachine XSR-E FrSky receiver, and this is actually a receiver that was done in collaboration with FrSky. It's Eachine branded. I believe FrSky also makes their own version of this. It's called the XSR-M, but as far as I know, the features and the functionality of both of those receivers are exactly the same. This is essentially the XSR receiver but in a different form factor. So if you guys all remember what an XSR receiver looks like, here is one right here. Comes in the classic clear heat shrink with the connectors here, and these are soldered on antennas. So one of the downsides of the original XSR is people didn't really like these soldered on antennas. This new XSR-E comes with antennas with the micro FL connectors. So this new XSR-E supports all the same functions as the original XSR, SBUS and PPM. However, the wiring is different. There was a separate wire here for PPM. You have to do a sort of a function change within the receiver by long pressing the failsafe button for 3 seconds to switch it from SBUS to PPM mode. But otherwise, all the other functions are the same, including smart port telemetry. Obviously, this new form factor is different. It's using this 15 by 15 form factor. This is designed for those micro stacks. They're coming out now for the micro drones. Either they're 16 by 16 or 15 by 15. I'm not exactly sure what the difference is between the two. I know it's 1 millimeter, but I'm kind of wondering if the 15 by 15 board here will fit on a 16 by 16 stack, since it's pretty close in dimensions. Okay, so it's about 20 millimeters in one direction here. I think it's also 20 millimeters the other way. And also 20 millimeters this way. Here are the two receivers right next to each other, so the XSR is a little bit taller. The XSR-E, I think it's about the same width. So they're about the same width. But this one has mounting holes and this one does not. So the XSR-E comes with a 4-pin connector here, and they include a cable micro connector for that if you want to connect that, and also then either connect to your flight controller, or you probably most likely have to cut this off and solder directly. And the pinouts for the 4-pin connector right here. You got smart port, SBUS, CPPM, and ground, and 5 volts. And let's do a quick weight comparison. I took the wires off of the XSR, 3.8 grams. And the XSR-E comes in at 2.46, 2.5 grams. So definitely saving some weight. So I'm not going to cover all of the features of the XSR-E in terms of how to connect it to your Taranis, because it's exactly the same as the XSR, and there's a ton of videos already out on how to do that. Obviously, you're going to need another UART for the smart port telemetry. Then you just go into your Betaflight configurator and select smart port telemetry on that UART to get telemetry back from this receiver in the exact same way you do for the XSR. In any event, that's the conclusion for this video. Let me know if you guys have any questions about the new XSR-E receiver, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.